Hello guys and welcome to How To. This is Tony here on Markez Films, and today I'm going to teach you 3 ways on how to make the Repulsor blaster effect of Iron Man. So let's get to it, to a quick tutorial. So I have animated here a quick example. So the first way that I'm going to teach you is by drawing the special effect. So the first one is drawing. So okay, here is where the effect is going to take place. It is right here. I have added a practical lighting to the scene. So the effect takes on 3 frames, 3 pictures. So we're gonna focus on the one in the middle, the second picture. So you're going to click edit to the frame here on the stop motion app, and then we're gonna click on the plus sign and add drawing. This is where we're going to draw the blaster effect. Make sure to choose the specific color that you want. I choose the white one. Now you can also be very much creative on doing this, adding more details and whatnot. So for me, I'm just gonna do a quick drawing of the blaster effect. And you can even add more details to it, like add another color, yellow or pink or red, to add more, to make it more like a realistic feel. You have a bunch of other settings that you can play more with it. Once you're done, you click back and the effect is added. As you can see, it is a very quick effect because that's how it's supposed to be, I think. Either way, it looks good. So that's how you can do it, by drawing. I'm sure that you can do much better work. So that's another way to do it. So that's pretty much how you can do it, by drawing it here on the stop motion app using the Mac. You can also use this feature on the iPhone, but I believe that you have to purchase the app in order for you to make those effects, those features. But I think they are worth it. So yeah. Now on to the second wave on how to make this blaster effect is by the practical one. And how can we do it better than the things that comes with every Iron Man? So I have like a bunch of those practical effects, so we can use those to put them in a good use. And as you can see, I added an additional lightning to the effect. You can add it with a flashlight or with your phone to add it more, I want to say, realistic feel. So that's the only thing that you can do. You add the practical effect that comes with every Iron Man, and you can add some flash lightning. Okay, so this is the third way, and this is the one that I do for my videos. Also, here's After Effects. And now you're gonna drag on your video, your footage. Okay, so this is the quick example that I filmed. Iron Man's about to shoot. Ham, take that, you evil dort. Okay, so here is where the special effect is gonna take place. I'm going to split this footage so we can focus on that segment right here. Here's where it ends. So I have split it. This short segment is where the visual effect is going to take place. So I split it so we can be more organized and so we can see where the special effect is going to take place. So you're going to click here, layer, new, and adjustment layer. Now it has been created another layer here. We're gonna split it as well. We're gonna delete that one. We're gonna focus on this one, this purple one. Now here on effects and presets, you're gonna click here on the search bar. You're gonna click ray, and we're gonna choose CC light ray. You either drag it and drop it on top of the adjustment layer, or by just double click on it, and it's gonna open here another window. Here is the effect. You can see right here. We're gonna place it right here where Iron Man shoots the blaster effect. Here, right there, and then you're gonna uncheck mark this area, color from source. As you can see, it changed it. Now for this next part, you can adjust your settings at your best liking. You can adjust the intensity, the lightning, and all of this, but the key point, the main thing that you need to do is to keyframe the intensity. So right where you're gonna start, where the effect are going to start, you're gonna keyframe the brightness. Let's click the U so we can see the keyframe right there, and you're going to advance seconds ahead, and where it ends the special effects, we're gonna here type 0, so we can have a fading effect. As you can see, it fades right there, it fades away, so we can have that awesome special effects of fading away the lightning. So it takes like a couple of seconds, this special effect, but it looks really good. As you can see right here, it's just like a quick flash of the blaster effect. And for the other arm, you can do the same thing as well. Now if the background is color black, or if the character is in a different environment, this special effect is gonna look even better. So that's the way that I do it, guys. I know that there's probably another ways on how to make these special effects, but these are the 3 that I'm teaching you right now. So I hope you have learned something new today. So thank you guys for watching this video, and see you guys very soon. Till next time.